Good morning! Good morning po! Today, meron po kaming vaccination ni Baby Larchie. At may appointment po kami ng 10:30. So, now is like 9:17 and then we're going to get ready. Yeah? You're gonna get vaccine today? Yeah, and then after ng vaccine niya, and may pasok din ako ngayon ng evening shift. So, come on, let's get ready now. We're going to get ready. Say bye-bye. Ano yan? Yeah? You're doing sunbathing? Yeah? You're so cute. This baby is so cute. Come on, let's go get ready na. Yeah? We go. We go. Right? Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What happened?
There we go. Hey, Mom. How are you?
So, ito po, papunta na po kami sa clinic kung saan babakunahan si Larchie. Malapit lang po ito, mga 6 minutes galing sa aming bahay. So, thank you for watching!